If we hurt you, we sorry.
We really sorry.
We no mean bad, oh. We just want for make we a go before.
We honest about that.
If we hurt you, we sorry.
And
We no mean bad, oh. We just want for make we a go before.
think about that.
Come on. When we praise government, they're always smile to
That
we.
na good thing.
When we hit on them, they're all the twisted
That na
face.
part typical
If
life.
we hurt you, we sorry.
Really
Oh,
sorry,
no, no.
bro.
We no mean bad, oh.
We just want for make we a go before.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
If we hurt you, we sorry.
We really sorry, yo.
We no mean bad, oh.
We just want for make we a go before.
New style every day, new style every hour, any day we dey change, we dey come on a different angle. Just for una, we don't start with you, una start for attack we in all angle. Well now, na just one ginger we up. Because we self don't stand firm for pass we information. Now different platform there, where una no be dey see we, where una no be dey expect we. Una go WhatsApp now, una dey meet up with. Twitter, una dey meet up with. Instagram, una dey meet up with. Facebook, una dey meet up with. YouTube, not for talk. There now we base. As una know, una will do the act. We go attack we na YouTube, then withdraw video. But later, YouTube, able know say una na party picking there. They go after we. They still release the video for make people they able know the information where they inside that video. They now never mind. Una way they do good to we and una way they do bad to we. We love una all. But that not the stop we work.
Anyway, but putting in day today. But before we go inside anything, do ya? I want follow you relax. Take this message when they come back just now.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. E don done. E no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join we na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
Welcome back. This na your program. We are the other channel where they for inform you and look under table and carpet for things the way they keep there for make we bring them to una. We not there for joke, we not there for laugh, we there for tell una waiting at the eye for make we and una no sabi. But we na the Kongosa eye, Kongosa mouth and Kongosa foot. We the waka, we the watch and we the talk. Anything what we say, it not they go down well with una.
But we not just dey give una waiting a bad thing. We as well they try for bring some good things then because all man not go bad at the same time.
Yes.
But we dey come up with just that it's like for say the other parts na dey the heavy box are the heavyweight box are dey. So na make na dey more than can see me. Hey. We na SLPP, we na APC, we na NGC, and we na Sierra Leoneans. You able to deny me my identity? Never. You don't be Sierra Leonean then. And not by mistake or the ball winners alone.
That's your passport.
No, keep on.
Oh, like your ID card.
Anyway, today we biggest news where they right now we had seditious libel.
Libel again.
Libel. You remember the other day? We talk say the way our parliament use their left foot for kick am, we not sure say them they come with and Gigi. So remember that day?
Now make I ask you if na libel again.
Yes, but guess what? Caretaker don't win, and he don't take 3 points over with former caretaker.
EPP.
Yeah. Power, talk and do.
Changes.
Good thing don't happen.
New direction.
New direction. Decisions like that. This now law we don't take about 55 years. Now only now the caretaker when he talk and do, he don't really do am. Justin, I think the caretaker don't do good thing. We need for clap for him.
He deserve praises.
Oh, we caretaker. Bravo on this one. I see the Pape don't get cap, he don't get fed and cap at this business.
Hey, boy, yourself, you don't know.
But anyway, this thing all be unfold inside Parliament. You know, inside the other the family and the thing. But allow not take beaucoup time. I want let you listen to waiting different people them been talk inside Parliament. Oh yeah. When they come back just now.
These are a very special moment in my life personally and also for journalism, and I feel so proud. And I think in the midst of the MP there, I feel like parliamentarian in the first place. Then I glad the idea with the immediate past president there, and another one who is a member of parliament, Honorable Abu Kabu, Kelvin Lewis, Umoro Fofana, Udea, and all city is true. I feel so proud. So I just want to tell thank you. The first thank you I want to tell now to Islam who votes me for become president, and they can be the person who they oversee this repeal of the law. These are big moments for all, not only for journalists, for the people of Salou. This law, people don't plan, so you don't guarantee a fundamental human right. Democracy, we have freedom of expression and of the press, and and it comes with huge responsibility. So I think as they celebrate, I also feel the burden of the responsibility we will get to make sure we live up to the expectation of the public, the government of this country. I want to tell the president, thank you very much, HE, Brigadier Julius Madabio, for in commitment and for fulfilling commitment. And the minister also with Honorable Rado Maswai, for in commitment also. We don't work together, the MPs we don't work together for reach this far, and we have got the glory.
Now a lot of commitment, a lot of work, a lot of tenacity. You know, where President Bio in the campaign as candidate Bio, I've been talking say what a win. It will ensure say we repeal part 5 of the 1965 criminal libel laws. But people been saying not possible, right? Simply because no governments and the fear or the Indian government they want to use them for do this or do that. President Bio even though have been the most libel candidates and has been irresponsible and reckless members of the press, have been the most vilified, have been the most attacked. They still believe that journalists can get a role for play. Important role for playing national development. So we make sure say they charge me with the key responsibility for ensure say I facilitate the repeal of the criminal libel law. One of the biggest things, one of the biggest assets in what I get now the goodwill. The president demonstrates a lot of tenacity, a lot of commitment, a lot of courage for make sure say we repeal this repeal here. And so my own responsibility was building a willing coalition of stakeholders then from cabinet, through parliament, through SLI, through IMC, civil society for law reaching this historic day today. I'm very excited. The president don't keep one of a major campaign commitment. Una know now, this is a man of his words. We've been talk about introducing free quality education. Even got people, they're not possible to pull the money. He said he would do it, he did it. Again, he said he will repeal the part 5 of criminal libel laws. He has done it. So today, we don't be on the threshold of making history. This is supposed to lay a solid and concrete foundation for a professional media practice, for a more responsible media practice, because some of the key elements of this the IMC bill, for example, we don't say now, people then for begin pay journalists then with the hook for it. Because as it is now, then just give them card, go into the world and fend for yourself. Then then they don't. Now at least basic minimum wage, anybody who employs reporters, editors, what have you got to pay them. You know, so things say this is very good for the practice of journalism. Now you don't get for do yellow journalism, not to attack, defend and collect journalism again. This is pushing the frontiers of freedoms, of free speech, and deepen with democracy.
So happy for this day. I'm so glad for this day, my brother. This is a historic moment. I say, when I started the journey afresh, all kind of bash and give me that were not sincere politicians and like man them politicians and so then they, of course, now everything. But today, I'm really happy for we don't come to the conclusion. The fear of accident only stop for drive, but we don't reach to find our destination today. We don't do the repeat. This is a moment everybody for celebrate in the history of journalism, in the history of the true sense of democracy, and forget the platform for unity, freedom, and justice. We not go say one set of people that operate, then we the fair way for make we start for them by the law. So we don't consider the obnoxious, the obsolete law, the draconian law, we don't pull and come out. So we don't give the media landscape, not total freedom, as you say, but for giving the space where they don't go get some limitation where not disadvantage to the work. So today we are happy because we deny it. We are happy because we don't put the repeat. So let's go get a free way for free. So what we will do for the echo, we people then voice them. We can amend the IMC Act for make sure say people that they work responsibly with the law. You don't go there because you work from home because if you don't give you some laxity, so you for go be irresponsibly. This profession, if for be responsible, if for able for do you work in the true sense of journalism and promote journalism in the true sense of Sierra Leone, make this country better. So now I make people in the private sector and not get the urge and not get the willingness, the free will for invest into this media business. Make journalists themselves be responsible. Of course, if you're not responsible, the IMC will take off you. Now make sure say the fines themselves will review the fines them. And everything when now they loophole, they make sure say things don't work fine for journalists then. Well, IMC take it for address them. Now make we go to call the regulation that they come up with. And then they do in consultation with slide. For me, I feel honored. For me, I feel good. And I believe say posterity will judge we to eternity. And I believe say the slide themselves, the journalists themselves will blow the whistle. They say posterity will judge and say they don't go good words. They don't do today, we don't do this repeat. So it's good for us, it's good for Australians, it's good for our democracy. So nobody now go talk say Australians are the most journalists using the law. So the law was so absolute, was so obnoxious, today we don't pull and come out.
Honestly, I feel very good because as a politician, you don't tell politicians and they make promise, and when they know say that promise they make the promise come to pass, it will affect them. They know they make that promise come to pass, so they don't lie. So the member of the public then don't take politician now for me, lie man them. So for my president, no say, in before he be president, I mean they write bad thing them bottom. And if you pull this law, journalists then get for the still right bottom. It's still pull the law because if he make the promise, he push on through cabinet, he use a minister, bring on kind of parliament, and we pull on that and things say Ibi, we see say Ibima. I really feel happy, and I feel happy because I'm a part of a generation for pull law inside a law book way old past me because this law old 55 years. 70% of this parliament here, this law old past them. So now a great day for me, a great day for democracy. It brings so much respect to we as a nation in the eyes of international counterparts them. So I feel very happy for being part of this all and for don't able apply some effort for make sure see we get this lawyer out of the law books today. I go sleep very happily. Because like where I see where they make me short speech, I don't see journalists them, we politicians them, will they bring them kind of police, use the police for me and lock them ourselves for 1 week, 2 weeks, send them a court, but will not proceed with the prosecution. Meaning we'll not be just one made and do their job. Me as an individual, I see Sylvia Blyden, we then can go to court under this law. In 2010, we published an article. I see Philip Neville, when me lawyer gave out, now me institute action against that. We publish an article against the finance director, now NRA, and so many others. Even students and Patricia Buma, they all don't suffer as a result of this law. And this world, they are supposed to forget the freedom for do what they elect for do most. Journalism now a profession where people don't choose, just like some of we choose law. So for men and with the practice and so they na the hate, you know, fine. And we all now one people inside one country. So for sister today they don't get them freedom and Mr. don't be part of the entire process. Honestly, I will sleep fine today.
We tell them thank you.
Yes.
As This law don dey done for 55 years.
55 years.
Now they don able pull am. But I pick some technical things them inside this thing.
I ask you something. I mean, we say, let me tell them thank you.
Yes, we get for tell and thank you, but we still get for look inside this particular here and say something.
So, what do you pick? Technical?
Well, the technical things that what I shall pick inside this, I been get for understand, say, the leader of government, say, the journalists them, they don't free for do their work.
Yes!
Really? But it don't mean say, they're totally free. So this make, I begin to wonder, who said they really, they go to?
The last, what I hear is large president say, they say this lawyer so a good, and the heavy duty on their shoulder now. But yes, I think the leader of government business, they try to talk about the IMC, Independent Media Commission, 2020 Act. Thomas Dixon the other day, now Radio Democracy, they talk about this particular act, where they talk about how this particular act go, quiz journalists and truth. So basically, when you look at two ways, it's like for say, them pull this big one we don't take 55 years of age. But the one we don't count with now.
In Babala Pass, waiting come out. Now make attention, big things them inside the business.
Because we don't mean bad though, we can't foretell and thank you today. But look at this thing. Then say, if you as journalist or media house not do waiting right, when you go renew your license, they not go give you license. And this law, if then find out say you know they do good thing, then can even stop you as a journalist for practice in the country.
That reminds me. You remember say inside this same talk where we be one day sit down. Now they one word come out say we they do this good thing for our but the ball left now on our court.
Yes, he left now on our court. Yes, exactly.
So that the ball is now for can play.
Yes, he left now on our court. Now, not to just down there, the ball left now on our court. It means say right now, journalists go even afraid now for talk certain things then.
Of course.
Because if you talk that thing there and the government not like them, they not go talk. When you go for renew license, then we just tell you say, no, you don't meet the criteria them of free practice, so we not go able for renew license. Simply this means say, you know they get any work again for them.
No way, no
So
way.
this one, I think a more fearful perspective in Pulu. Because remember, people like a mistake for certain things then.
Yeah.
Now, if the seditious libel, then pull and because it means just decriminalize. It means say you then go take you as criminal, okay, you go to court and charge you. But now they not even need for charge you, okay, you go to court. Then they tell you say you not for practice.
So go sit down and corner, make wait.
So now all the journalists they want for practice, all the media houses they want for continue for there on air. So what do you expect? What do you think say they go do?
It look like say this they can happen if you as a journalist you not take your time, you not know what they do, meaning let we hit the bone. If you know they in favor of this government, your journalism career they can pack off.
So now the journalists in practice they can't say thanks and praise to we government. Hey!
Only. Only.
Anyway, no left handed big. And just small thing no more. But still. Caretaker Bio, me I go say thank you because you don't take 3 points. Now former caretaker Kuruma in hand. Instead being promised, but you not able to do them. You promise inside your campaign and you do them. Caretaker Bio talk and do.
Talk and do.
We tell you thank you. Lord, they want those small.
We just got more pan this wire. Now let's jump to other topic. Me salon people them and people them we get good help for come na salon. Sierra Leone airports don't open, it don't open,
the new direction.
But not see why they glad so. Something there inside there where una need for know. Una not know, we they can't tell una. Now we dey on top the hill, but we dey run down small.
Inside there, you know say the corona, regulations them of how you for come inside and out of salon. A good but something they one can tell you, you go surprise you so get that kind of information they when they come. Let's go inside we embassy the wedding na oversee. Let's touch on Brussels. Around na Brussels. Salon embassy na Brussels.
You mean Brussels? Where me sabi the Sierra Leone embassy, where they Belgium, where you go there if you buy one parlor, you know even big self, Then they hail and say, now embassy, where they take big money there to people them?
I don't know what happen with we diplomatic, office them. Then tell me say, how you pray you bed? Na so you go there. How you dress for go Abuja? Na so they go call you for car sport. And if we want to get party business with other side them and let them value we yard, now other parts them. I think say we need for make sure say we face now then country then they get proper drink. So we really need for know what we for do for make sure say them building and they up to standard. Not take for example Nigeria, the Nigeria High Commission na Salon. It been there first na Circa Stephen Street by former American embassy. It is in a standard building them there.
Yeah.
They say no, this one not okay. This one not the shape we game. Now they come out today. Then go na IMAT na Hillcourt Junction. They go put powerful building yonder. Big place. That's what we give them.
Well, all this for just tell you say, then take their country first and then take their job serious. Because you as a country, when you call embassy, right? Now the office that one the way represents your country, the way you enter there, it just sound like where you did in your country. But if you go get an embassy like the whole day Belgium, where you enter there, like one tight parlor, but then they take big money them to people there and that for tell you say, then people are just the Allah say Salon first, now put Salon first. There is no way they put this country first.
They not get money for pay rent for big building then Europe. So what you and them do?
Seriously?
You not have deal. When you talk about money, so let's tell you something. Now, when you go now in Brussels, Salon Embassy in Brussels, Belgium. If you want to make them sign for you one grain document, you know how much you pay?
That's you tell me.
€80 now you pay for one.
You mean?
For just go sign.
For sign.
Documents where you go don't pull in a salon. Where like for say you birth certificates. You don't go take a salon. For the bosses, the embassy in a salon embassy in a bosses. Just can authenticate them for sure say yes, this na salon document. €80.
€80.
But not to that name on me. €80 not to him on me. We for pay, we for contribute for the country go before. But I tell you the drama where they happen. You know say out of that €80.
No, wait. No can't tell me something how they make me out one. That €80, where then they take. You they get receipts for them?
Yes, then they give receipts.
You sure say that €80 they go to the government?
Now they are the rich so.
Tell me.
Now you suppose they say 8 to 8. 50-50. Sabi, eh? Now 50% they go direct to the government na the account. 50% how them pass with how they not pass with them, now they with God know. Let's tell you what I mean. Now then they give you 2 receipts. When you go then they tell you say, now this now you pay this €40, pay an hand. But the balance €40, we need to take an hand, go pay an account. Now we go pay the €40 na account. Well of course now that day the register na the system. The €40 it left na the Salon embassy their hand. That what they mean? Then they give 2 different receipts. The bank receipts where you go pull from the ATM machine, you get them. Then the one where they give, then just put and they say Sierra Leone government. Period. In order to tell you say Sierra Leone government, boss.
Hollande. I don't want to let you go too far for making us strain people them. Then receipt away they talk about. I hope say we get the sample na ya.
I the display with the display na the
well, Fambulem, before they go further to this discussion, una patient and look the receipt when me brother they try for tell una the way how we young people that we can represent we na Brussels, they treat we the Sierra Leoneans them. Instead of €80 to the government, €40 to the government, €40 na the desk for just sign the paper. Look the receipt for let una prove we right or wrong. Continue, me brother.
So we don't know why we no go pay all the money because we know say in any office when you go to Europe, yeah, if they say you for pay €80, all the €80 they see they go pay on a bank or you go buy ticket of this €80. But they don't tell you say no, pay €80 na ya.
Go pay this
na
other one.
bank, then you go pay
Na
the with the
table.
balance na table. They no dey do am. So this Salon embassy na Brussels need for explain to the people of Salon, Anti-Corruption Commission, they need for explain.
No, forget about that. No call Anti-Corruption Commission.
No, na they responsible for
Na
that.
they responsible, but no say the same Anti-Corruption Commission, right? Now their own people and there is no way that they convict them.
No, and normally you draw conclusion, but that one day, let me give them this case.
But for tell me say you know they see where if rest when arrest go na Anti-Corruption, they end up setting people and they free. For tell you say na their own people there. I been telling you
Me I dey challenge you now. Say this particular case, Anti-Corruption.
Me say they challenge you say case they way big past this, then they go na Anti-Corruption as long as they did at the cabal and they set them free. Not to this.
Well, let's see wetin dey happen.
Well, na a challenge for me and you.
Francis Ben Kelfala, Duya, na the word this so. The Salon embassy na Brussels. They take two type of money, two different receipts. One na bank, one na table. This na Europe, not to Salon. Why dem for pay na table and why dem for pay na table and why dem for pay na bank? Different for the same document.
And you for the Sierra Leonean we don't know this money because we call it in euros. If the euro na Salon na 1 for 1, this 80 euros when you change them na 800,000. You dey pay the 400,000 to the bank where they go for we the people in a Salon, and on the balance 400,000 na table to them waiting at the office where the government they pay them for that when they sit on our office. Now this they go on Brussels.
Anyway, no yard back too much. ACC na the other deal. Take care.
Now
no go down to the airport.
Void votes na
since
ACC.
we don't can Brussels, no use the plane now and go na airport. Hey, airport don open. But wait oh, I find out say for let me go back, I get for pay. After I don't buy tickets, I don't pay all kind thing. I get for pay separate money for coronavirus test.
Well, as I just tell you now, I say, them people here, na Alusain and Alassane. Alusain, na insane Alassane na Brussels. Watch now how things they go. Brussels for sign document na Amos.
80 euro, 40 to government, 40 to themselves. How they well that 40 I forget for tell na something I need this for parent.
Okay, now we jump inside airport back. The corona test fee, when they tell you say in and out of Sierra Leone, you want enter oh, you dey pay that money there. You want come oh, you dey pay that money there. Na Amos.
Well, when we been dey try for fill with form for comot na Salon and for go back na Salon, we find out say anyone if I wan go na Salon, I dey pay $80.
So compare Brussels and the airport for them know say na Alusain and Alassane.
Well, this one the one way different now that this one all we pay direct to the government. This one now you know say it get two
But you know
sides.
if na special account.
No, yeah, well, if na special account, then na dem business as long as na government. But wetin na the thing now? Why we for pay for let them test me for coronavirus?
You ask why we for pay. If me I use me opinion now and tell you why we for pay this money, you go begin talk back say na NGC are they or na C4C or na APC are they.
Tell me lie again.
My people them, as we all know, wetin we dey go through right now in our country. One, we get COVID-19 as the government pronounce say we get am. The community doctor for say yes or no. Okay, you know say plenty money don come inside for support we when we know how they combat this COVID-19. It's still not enough. The government engage with different people them say we own people them and people them wey get good at for Kana Salon, therefore pay $80 for COVID-19 test na the airport. When people right now they go on social media, some man they say 500,000, but according to we own Richard, na $80.
With the display, you see am.
And see una see am? And this $80, if dollar na 1 for 1, now the same 800,000. So for people who on social media, they say na 500,000, not to 500,000, no, even dollar fall safe, then change that $80, it still pass 500,000.
Okay, look at this other thing. If from Ghana to Salon, where you want to come from Ghana to Salon, where actually we check round the back, now the same 80. So any side where you come out, now the same $80.
Okay, Justin, let's just take people through the process and let we prove whether waiting with the talk na true or a lie. First of all, if you take your phone or your computer and then you type www.travel.gov.sl, right? Where you don't type this according to the advert way the government put out. Where you type this, you press OK. Then it'll give you this page. This now the first page where you will get for put all your flight details and they like the time where you go salon, who stay the left back salon, and whether you use special flights, your name, your passport number, all of them things. And they where you done, you they press this and then it'll go to register to travel. Okay, this now the first page. Now, when you don't fill all of this, the information there also where you travel, it'll take you to the next page. This page also now there you go get for again fill another another information then where then go get for ask you, and after that then they tell you this: you will be required to pay $80 upon completion of your application as fee for COVID-19 test. Submit and proceed to payment. So you see, they don't prepare your mind already. This now waiting you require for pay, you know. Any side where you come on at the wall for going to salon, now the money this way you pay.
So, but when you go now, then they go test you and then you take 48 hours. But who are they responsible for the tickets now for the hotel fee where you did that 2 days there?
Well, now in the problem. Now make a major additional say, we all know say, boku money don't come inside for this COVID-19. Meaning, if they test you positive, the government forgets special place them where they for put them people there. But in this case of the airport, government say they're not responsible. If they test you positive, you they pay hotel for yourself. Where you they go there. You understand? And you know say this part of the world, right? Some people when they travel, then they budget themselves. If you they go take 5 or 6 days, if they budget themselves. So tell me if you go test this person positive. You say for go pay for hotel, maybe now it tickets money no more, don't left with them, right? Who say you pull that money for go pay hotel, for go sleep?
Who say you pull that news then?
You forget say the world there now we and right now.
We are do not left. We are do not left.
Where to the left?
Una left. Una left for the talk then thing they also about the government.
Oh, now because they talk then to you and I make una they go after
you. Una need for the talk the good things then about the government.
But now you will not talk jish now.
So now you forgot this day.
Yeah, because now something where they affect me and you, and it affect the country, development of the country.
But this one, we government wants money. We know we don't go by economic hardship, so we want the government for get our money. This now way for get our money, so we go cover the whole world on this.
How long will they left get and big upon all way to get now?
Well, because we know I'm big, now make we put say when you want come in country, whether a country or not, pay 80 euro, they'll test you. You get how you pay.
And then I want you take note of another thing. Inside the same talk, right? Me people them are always a call on una one talk because now they serve.
Yeah, una listen now.
Right?
Because this we are.
Now you they can't do this test. Me self when they talk to you so, and if for take me time, you self therefore take you time.
Why?
Because I they challenge you now back say. This test now another way for trap people where they oppose this government. Of course.
What do you mean?
Me and you when they talk so right now. Now we are. We face the already mark. Other people where they pull video for we are, but the bad things there where they go on, their face they don't already mark. The people them where they behind this test, now the people where they the cabal. That is obvious. You understand? And you almost say that we don't sack them, they get for sack for them and count the young people there, where they go identify people them. Good. So do ya? We really need for take time. We will they talk so, and now they pull audio. If you go salon right now, you for very be careful. Because the brother, if them people don't mark your face, say now maybe they pull audio for them, now maybe they make video for them, you go frontal machine for test, there is no way where not they come out, they know they get you positive.
Because when they test you, it take like 48 hours before they call you for your results. So that time they can just go process them. But I don't think so now which ones. Una no go salon now.
It dey happen.
And we where they na salon one come on salon. I don't travel. I don't feel free for.
No balance that machine. They like where they sit down so now we had they talk things them where you feel say it dey go wrong.
You say for balance the machine?
No balance am.
You want to give me treason? You. If me go balance machine, they no go tell me say use for treason.
Well, take your time. Now use the right word. Take your time. If you want come on salon, like where you dey now we actually talk. Take your time, oh. Because if you face in that machine, then they deprive you from your right of travel.
Yeah. Who don't talk so? Let we sing back the song when we begin the program with for you, huh?
If we hurt you, we sorry.
We really sorry.
We no mean bad, oh. We just want for make we a go before.
We're honest about that.
If we hurt you, we sorry.
And
We no mean bad, oh. We just want for make we a go before.
think about that.
Come on. When we praise government, they always smile to
That
we.
na good thing.
When we hit on them, they always twist them.
That na part
face.
typical
If
life.
we hurt you, we sorry.
Oh, Nana.
We no mean bad, oh.
We just want for make we a go before.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
If we hurt you, we sorry.
We really sorry, yo.
We no mean bad, oh.
We just want for make we a go before.
We sorry. really sorry. Justin, oh they go beat us small.
Well, now this we get for now for the airport. But we still there inside we had. Anyway, Karen now one of the new district they will get right now we had. But we find out say from where we get these new districts, then they facing difficulty to so many things them. They get constraints them, but hospital, you know, school,
all things.
you know, anyway, everything.
They really they behind pan development. But the one them waiting at them districts been decide for talk on waiting at the challenge and call on government for let them go come and help them. Let me listen to this interview quick when they come back just now.
John Dito Kamara talk more inside this interview with Mange Mansare.
Construction of schools and other related issues, training of teachers, teaching and learning materials. You get an NGO or get for agriculture. They will also help you for address agricultural areas then. When you look about farming, and you look about how the farmers are going for organizing in terms of seeds, fertilizers, training and all that things then. When you get an NGO where they make on social welfare, it is they for address the picking them, the woman them, and all the related issues them. If you get an NGO where they operate with Ministry of Health, they also they see how they could look at the different areas then on health, how they go able for help them. So NGOs then get a very big program for assist the implementation of programs like in districts because they complement government efforts. So therefore, absence it creates a very serious threat at the district because government will be able to do everything at the same time.
So what did they hope for?
Now, what are they hope for? As they present this to the media, when I help people pass up the information also, say Karine is a new district. Karine need assistance. Karine need development. Then take the most vulnerable chiefdoms from Post-Log of 5, 8 from Bombali, bring them together so they need for be given attention. We also expect that the Ministry of Development will also talk to the government, to development partners, to NGOs, to private sectors. When they also look at the civil society for do advocacy on Karine. For say what you Karine need, Karine not get an office. The only 3 council as for now we don't get council offices. Government will not build all the other council there, but Post-Log City Council when a new Falaba District Council and Ghana District Council will not get an office. Now Saudi also the rent to rent. Then we look at the mobility for monitoring. They look at other attention then for big
So in the end, how this don't affect you now?
The rents were now in public rights. This not to the Ministry of Local Government for the year the round bago would expect the policy they expect now for pay a rent. So just keep on fulfill that.
So what about the mobility?
The mobility automatically the CA, the chairman automatically not happen. But don't they ask the government, don't they ask the ministry that they are sure we for say they go look into it.
So how many people carry on again? Council.
How many under they will get? Not get what to get it. the Honda, the way we get that, the way they give the start up, buy a few Hondas for the start. But the chairman and the council, look at that Benz, where they understand, so that you come on the next village, you don't broke down, pass the take bike, you ride, you go. But I mean, we get for the work because we ask for it and just get for work for it.
Okay, we more look at the hospital. So what do you want to talk about?
Yes, I also bring up the issue of the district hospital. The district hospital, every district gets a hospital. But because we knew Falaba and Karine, now we don't get district hospital. And because we don't get district hospital, we don't get hospital superintendent. And because we don't get hospital superintendent, where they will go on the budget, they always budget for Karine in terms of the secondary hospital. So we don't get that issue there. What is then na mission hospital. Government they give subvention, but I mean it is 100% owned by a mission. So therefore, you're not going to forgive all what it takes, forgive the attention. So
this district hospital will not get district medical officer. So how this will affect you now?
Well, one of the things then, it affects the service delivery, especially you get for do referrals. We get 56 PHUs in Karine. Oh, they even don't begin to identify more because of distances. And if you don't get a district hospital, where are you going to do referrals then? Because the mission they look at, you're not going to give 100% attention to service them people they need. But if they get a government hospital, any area where they get a problem, they go for send referrals there. That particular area, and we also get funds for not able for implement some programs then under the district hospital.
So now we not get district hospital. So how they can do referrals then from the different PHUs na the districts?
Na the districts, we still demand for referrals for now. Na Kabagwe Western Hospital. But most of the time, because of the road network, by the time they put things in place, will they get problems there? Some say picking on loss in life na road. Some say the belly woman not get problem na road, right? So they get some very serious problem. And when you partner with the private somebody, you don't get 100% ownership of the property. You know about it. It is serving as you want. Because of that, we get problems in addressing our health issues in Karine. We get the DHMC already. The DHMC, we get PHUs. We get the district medical officer. But district medical officer, SSF, the strength for man, the PHUs within the district. We'll get this hospital, we'll get a hospital superintendent so that we have to address the major issues. Constantly, they look over the hospital. Whereas the DMO, they look over PHUs across the districts.
So we don't put them to government?
Yes, we don't present them to the government, we don't present them to the director of PHU, Dr. Wuri, we don't present them to the minister of we don't present them to all issues. We don't present them today again to the Ministry of Development and Health.
So what's the immediate reaction? The
reaction, they tell you, see, don't listen to that, they go see what they go able to do, and we will ask Una, we will continue for advocates on our behalf for this Karine issues are addressed.
Wow. And this be the talk. This district here, you remember the previous government, the last government, now they've been set them up. But the challenge been plenty. They're not been getting nothing as you don't hear from the interview. We find out in a bike under. Now in the one day when they work, the use, the chairman, they not get no mutuka na the council where they get it. Yeah. So this make I want to ask a question. This BN10, them been buy SUVs. No, not SUVs. They're not buying no SUV.
And that man we don't call a media.
They're not buying no SUV. Deputy Minister, they're not buying no SUV. Them buy brand new motorcar them. But then give who that get, and then give the one them where the Sidon na office for fight the corona. They not give any medical person where they go na the field. Then we find out that we get deprived area them when need them thing and they not give them. Carry na one. The chairman and even the council not get mutuka. Before you talk about the chief administrator and the other one them. But they're not member there. They're not there. Now then they cry. You know, this I don't know how Italian. Then they cry to the central government for let them help them. But I don't know, some tell that money will come for corona, so they will buy give them. Or sometimes one part of SUVs them, then go, no, sorry, not to SUV. One part of Land Cruiser them, then will give to them after the corona.
Hey, weird. Waiting really they go on.
Nothing, but just that money, no they.
You know, there are things now we had were very important, where we need for focus to, right? This government, they neglect them things they are, they focus on things them, we're not so necessary even now we had.
Why you say they're not necessary?
Good. If Karina, as a old district, they suffer for vehicles them, the council, they use motorbike, right? For go work, where it's not secure. We all know we roads them we get now we had.
But mostly now we can use upline.
Yes, I know. Right? But me and you know say it's not even secure. Right? The council they use motorbikes for go do their job. When this job what they do, now for the country. You understand? Though we been get Land Cruiser them, when the deputy minister be cancelled not to SUVs them. Right?
Not
so
to
now
SUVs.
we self don't accept say not to SUVs them. But them motokaya, the government buy them, then take them motokaya, give people them, where sit on an office, who say AC they bang them. Then they use them motokaya for bluff. Right? We be feel say upon all this advantage that we don't do, then quiz we and go buy them motokaya, where we don't accept right now. Therefore don't take them motokaya now, put them in a use where we they know say now a better use for the country and they can.
If you want to accept, if you not accept.
No, we don't accept because they don't bully we.
Alright, okay.
Right? So if they take them vehicles there, some of them they give resident ministers them. Where some of them just there for cause trouble and threaten people and say that they fire and kill them.
CID left.
Right? Not to me say now wait Abu talk. Now they talk. Right? Then they give them vehicles there. Done a whole council now a district that they suffer. We just they call Papa government. We they beg. Do ya una turn yai na Karina and solve some of them problems here where they facing as a district.
Okay. Now in that too, Karina. Anyway, God day. I know say we can't take a talk and do. They go do something for them. But they don't begin cargo project in there anyway.
Look.
They don't begin cargo project then for able to improve the council because they don't get even the building now pay the parents. So like the caretaker, they don't care go council the project this BNTM where they try for make sure say they improve that particular side. So we just hope no more the project reach at the right hand and then people are able for it. But again, you don't know say even when carrying it, all man they don't get mutka no nothing, but they get big salary the chairman. That will be 70 million they put for them. And 70 million. So pay for the look inside if na taxi if you ban first. You don't feel so?
Hey brother, the salary you them pay you, now they pay you work for them.
Yes.
Now you own.
Yeah, but the mutuka self for if you not get a load, they help you self.
No, but who they talk about things them where they help develop we had.
Yeah.
That salary now you own, I use and I own. We don't care about the salary where you take. The things them where they contribute now we had, now they don't care about.
Anyway, I think say we need for we registration for broadcast on the expire. We need for go now. Now IMC for go renew a license.
You are going to go tell you say no be the criteria.
No, we need for go now. At least IMC will they come on, but they can't renew.
No, you are going to go because definitely IMC they go tell you not reach the criteria. So we had.
Anyway. So the left una today, una thank you. Una all the patronize with we, una thank you. We don't bake today. If we do not bad, we sorry, but not mean bad though. No, if we ought to now, we sorry, but not mean bad though. We just the try follow. We talk the thing when they make we had go before. You insist in 10 9 decent thing.
Yeah.
Again they come. We the advice una every day. City council will help for clean them drainages them. I say some youth organization and they come with help for give tools them for them and clean.
Now that's what they prefer always now we had.
But again I will use the same word. If you notice say AB in the camp, usa you day water they pass the AB1 or you think say na risk area than they it prone to disaster. What I mean, a likely or it be say disaster problem will happen anytime they are left that side the first. When the AB in the camp, if you find out say AB abata stone, big stone, team up behind you, now you host, they are big, come on at that side first way in the camp, or even if you know the camp, try for avoid that side first, because sometimes in the rain they don't cut, but this water can on soak under. One day no we go just fall down.
Yeah.
You know, one for a rain of them thing and they. If you feel say rain they can big one, put all the power off. Yeah, and make sure say you get touchlight because water and current all the meet up. Sometimes some side all leak. You the first for avoid water, you go touch side rain and current. You understand eh? So do you have if I'm let we make sure say we watch ourselves. You know when problem they come and avoid. Yeah, with the big.
Anyway, now so we dey take left una today. Do ya? We had, as my brother they advise, we all don't know the problems they will be facing inside rain season that we had. And we know they like for see them videos then they, so we just they pray and una self, in as much as we they pray, una try for protect una self from them problems they are. Una when they come on YouTube, they can attack we. As the song go, we don't mean bad. We just want make we had go before. If we had go before, now me you enjoy. We not get no other Sierra Leone. Now one Sierra Leone we get. So if me and you, because of party, because of color, because of any other that you think, they begin to do things them where they make salon one go bien. Now he make with the sidoya, they talk with the advice for make we do the right things them. And when I not feel bad. You either be SLPP or APC, not feel bad. APC be in a power. SLPP, una be they enjoy, una they oppose them. But nobody no old person. Nobody no go after person on social media. Of course, they be they oppose freely during that time day. Why now?
Then it's Sandy say, then they use them work for oppose. But now APC then they use violence. So then go bust them. They go make sure say they send them 6 feet.
But you think that a responsible statement that there for you as a stakeholder?
Let me ask.
Do ya? Una answer me in the comment section below. The audio Dr. Sandy left. Now a responsible statement down there to you where people they look to say you not a stakeholder. Una where they for copy from. They come out them kind audio ya. The people they will not answer me. As I they talk this now. But why they be they enjoy, where they be they oppose APC, where they take power now, they want the people in turn mumu for make them drive with this motor car and go to Queen Agota.
They need for give them chance. They need for give them chance.
No, in as much as they give them chance, they say need for give people a chance for oppose. If government say they not oppose you, how you they correct your mistakes?
We don't need anybody for oppose. We sabi waiting good and waiting bad. Una left wing now we term this for it.
Well, una go lock till una tire. Una go intimidate people on social media till una tire. We they talk bet. Where SLPP come on a power, any other government who can see though, when not they do the right things then for saloon, we still they talk bet. So you call we APC oh, as some people that they can't tell who say they give we money oh. You call we NGC oh. You call we C4C oh. You call we any other party when are opposition. That's not they make we stop. For anything una say, we they accept them, whether good or bad.
So this now I can talk. Every other day we dey give una comments and love the heart. We really dey down with una love una. Because people in the can even tell we say nah nonsense we talk. Some people they can tell we say we intimidate people. Some people they can say incite. You know all of them things and they. But we still go and love una comments them because we love una. We not there. We are not passing any insightful statement to anyone. We just want for make sure say we do the right thing for make we country go before. So we love una. We still dey appreciate una dey come. At least una monitor we, let una know wetin we dey talk, so una go pick sense and then do I not make any sense una iba na corner, yeah? Now so many stop studio. I don't know Justin.
Well, I think say we dey rest here for today. Until we meet again at the next program, we know they reverse nothing. We still go forward. Me, na Justin, as always, una know.
Me, na Aliyu.
If we hurt you, we sorry.
We really sorry.
We no mean bad, oh. We just want for make we a go before.
We honest about that.
If we hurt you, we sorry.
And
We no mean bad, oh. We just want for make we a go before.
think about that.
Come on. When we praise government, they're always smile to
That
we.
na good thing.
When we hit on them, they're always twist them
That na
face.
particular.
If we hurt you, we sorry.
Oh, Nana.
We no mean bad, oh.
We just want for make we a go before.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
If we hurt you, we sorry.
We really sorry, yo.
We no mean bad, oh.
We just want for make we a go before.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to we channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. E don done. E no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one wey you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform wey you dey. So people dem go come and join we na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work wey we dey do. Thank you for wey you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.